Today, this day, I would love to dedicate it to my teachers who have been a great mentor throughout my Chitkara journey.
I love all those I met on this journey in this amazing college. Your university has made me realize how important it is to make friends. This one particular song I would like to dedicate to all my friends. I'll be there for you.
I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you.
I love Chitkara University for all the values that it has taught me.
It is a kind of university that I have dreamed for. It provides exposure and academic skills, and most importantly the fun that everyone wishes for.
Chitkara University has given me so many opportunities like how to make bond with people, like how to make friendship with people and how to interact with everyone.
To be honest, I love Chitkara University in terms of organizing events such as sport events and DJ nights.
शरबतों का, तू मीठे गानों का पानी